Welcome to another toy unboxing by Tito A. This is called Sclaypool and Wolvebone. Created by local artist Sclayton. This is Sclayton's Deadpool and Wolverine versions. This is the third pair that I am building for my Deadpool and Wolverine theme. Both came with the signed certificate of authenticity. Both figures have removable magnetic skull masks. The skull mask is the signature look of Sclayton. This is limited to only 5 pieces released. Made from resin and stands at 4 inches.